Alrighty, here's my proof of concept using an Arduino and the CS&AI kit. I've got myself a controller and a double motor. On my Arduino side, I've got a push button, I've got a potentiometer, and I've got 2 sets of NeoPixels. Alright, the way it's set up at the moment is with our controller. The left joystick here controls the NeoPixels, and so they will scroll up and scroll down. The right joystick here is going to control the other NeoPixels, and that's just going to cycle us through some different rainbow colors. So all the way down is red, all the way up is blue, and everywhere in between. Alright, in here we've got our push button. Pressing the push button will toggle the right side of the double motor to turn around once. And this potentiometer will control the speed of the left side. So as I crank it up a little bit, we can change that speed. Alright, so that's it.